Hey, welcome back everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum. And today I want to invite you on an awesome virtual test drive of a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This thing has a 302 turbo fire cross ram under the hood, a fiberglass hood. The paint job looks gorgeous. I got some dirt on it. Let's just wipe that off. This silver is just stunning. Absolutely beautiful car. Now, as I'm walking around, if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself puts a video out there. And then when we're done, go over to volocars.com and you'll see the write-up on this one, the pricing, the specs, and all the other, about 100 or so pictures of this and all the other vehicles we have for sale. And we are definitely selling Camaros like hotcakes, so if you're interested in this one, I'd give sales a call as well. Absolutely beauty. All right, let's hop in. Door just opens like butter. Snap shut with ease. This one you have your 4-speed. Sorry, buckling up. Has cluster up here of gauges, tachometer, speedometer. I noticed the clock's working. Then you have your fuel, engine temp, and everything else down there. Let's go ahead and start it up. Oh, this one sounds mean. Jay told me this one was special. So the radio. Radio works. Fan kicks on. All right, well, I can't wait to get this one on the road. First, the seats look amazing. It's really comfortable. The dash, I'm not seeing anything messed up with the dash. The headliner looks really nice. Like, it's hard to find anything really wrong with this. And this one was McIntosh, wow, I forget the name. It's been certified by, let me see it real quick. Yeah, MacNeish, sorry about that. Had a brain fart. But it's MacNeish certified. No power steering, but I believe this thing was made mainly to go straight really fast. I work in the shop here at the Auto Museum, so this is our first time ever getting out on the road. And if you noticed, every classic car has a little different sense of shifting, the clutch, and this one, the clutch is real responsive. It pushes back out at you. It doesn't pop. Handles great. Might have to get it over to the alignment shop. Yeah. I'm hitting these bumps and I don't hear any rattling. That is awesome. I am going to start up here a little bit. In about a minute, I'm going to try to get on it. See what she can do. Man, does that engine sound nice. Goes in and out of gears real easy. Don't have to fight it. Tell this is going to be a lot of fun. want to scare anyone over there. Yeah, this is a pretty bumpy road, and I'm not hearing any squeaks or rattles. Even without the power steering, it's not too hard to steer. Alright, let's see if I can get on a little. Takes your breath away driving in this. Well, I hope you had as much fun as I did in this. Like I said, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, go over to volocars.com, check out the write-up, the pricing, and all the specs, and then call sales, because this one is definitely moving quick. Thank you, as always. Appreciate you.